Hi everyone, my name is Monique and I'm the head of community here at Self. And if you've watched any of our previous videos, you would know that we have been focusing on credit cards. If you're just starting out in your credit journey or you're in the rebuilding phase, you might not be eligible for traditional credit products like a personal loan or credit card just yet. And that's why credit building products like our secured Self Visa credit card might be a great card to start off with. First thing first, what does it mean to have a Self credit card with a $100 starting limit? Simply put, it's the maximum amount that you can charge on your card before you're at your limit. Now, $100 may not seem like a lot, but it's a great starting point in building your credit and managing your expenses. So here's 3 things that you can do to make sure that you're managing your $100 credit card efficiently. Use your card for small everyday purchases like your daily coffee or a small subscription fee or gas. You can even use your card for a little small treat. This can be a key for staying within your spending limit and making sure that you're paying off your balance in full each month. Even with a $100 credit limit, you can still use that to build your credit. Try to keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%. So even if your credit limit is $100, try to keep the balance that you owe or carry over month to month below $30. Think of your card as a tiny backup fund. So if you forget your debit card or you have a small unexpected expense, but make sure that you can pay it off quickly when it's due so that you can avoid interest. Okay, so now let's talk about what not to do. Here are some pitfalls to avoid. Going over your limit with some cards can lead to fees and have a negative impact on your credit score. So always keep track of your spending. So try creating a monthly budget so that you can keep track of your expenses. Sticking to a plan may help you with overspending. And if you need some guidance on how to create a budget, watch our video Budgeting 101, which will be linked below. With a small credit limit, it is tempting to carry that balance over month to month thinking it's just no big deal, but that interest can add up quickly. And the longer you owe the balance, the more interest that you'll end up paying, and that debt will end up costing you more. So try to pay your balance off each month. Life happens, we get busy, and sometimes things just fall through the cracks. That's okay. But to avoid missing any credit card payments, you might want to consider setting up payment reminders. You can set up text or email reminders letting you know when your next due date is and the amount that you owe. And you can also add this to your calendar so that you don't forget. Putting your card payments on autopilot should mean that you will not miss a beat with these credit card payments. When you set up autopay, you can usually choose the date that you want to submit the payment as well as the amount. You can choose to pay the minimum monthly payment, the full balance, or any amount that you choose. So there you have it. A $100 credit limit may seem small, but with these tips, you can make it work for you. Just remember, spend smart, pay on time, and keep your utilization low. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments what you would do with your credit card. I want to know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.